Are you restless and worried about spending so much time in front of the computer simply to produce slide presentations for your class and another document for the assessment? If you answered yes, oh dear teacher, you are not alone. Because the atmosphere of teaching in the digital environment is radically different from traditional classroom arrangements. The bulk of teachers' tasks are performed in front of the busy screens of our laptops and desktop computers. Time, as they say, is gold in the case of distance education. As educators, we must multitask in order to accomplish all of our responsibilities. By the way, in spite of all our struggles and adjustments, it is important to recognize and appreciate this resiliency and be able to recover from the crisis we faced.
Thank you.
Southeast Asian teachers and educators worldwide. I am Mr. Daniel Ong, a faculty of Don Mariano Marquez Memorial State University, Midlothian Campus, College of Education in the Philippines. And I'm going to share with you how I resolved this problem in a very simple way. In college instruction, it's really a struggle to create and design presentation slides and evaluate student learning because of the depth of the subject content. But why not combine or merge these activities and make your presentation and test papers in one interactive slide for your class? Then send this presentation to your students and let them answer your prepared questions to see whether how they interpret or completed the assignment. Yes, I usually merge this task with the help of Peardeck's synchronous and asynchronous functions. Don't worry, the basic functions of this technology are free of cost.
That's a wonderful idea!
How do we create these interactive slides? The first step is to prepare your presentation either in Google Slides or PowerPoint, the same as this one. I just give the key facts about the issue in my slide presentation and I create specific pages where I place the prompt questions. These are follow-up questions to check whether your students truly grasp the content or not. It can be single answer, reflections, essays, multiple choice questions, where students can even doodle the responses on the slide. Don't worry, the assignments set for the students will not affect your presentation slides. Now after creating the slide presentation, I simply send the URL to the students and wait for their responses. Students may view your PowerPoint on their laptops, desktops, or even on their mobile phones. They can type in their answers to the question as they read on any device. You can easily check how they interpret with your shared information, shared videos, and answer your multiple choice questions. The student can even include illustrations on the slide presentation itself. All tasks completed by the students are automatically stored, so there is no need to be concerned about information loss. For teachers, you can easily monitor students' progress by checking on the teacher's dashboard view. Let's try to open this one, for example. You may see how your students react to the question you posted. And you may even provide feedback on their responses. You may also see how their illustrations are created. Yes, it's amazing, right? Now in this trying time, I know many teachers and students are still in the process of recovery and adjustments. New alternative teaching strategies and methods will emerge from time to time. However, we must all stay open and be flexible to all these changes. We have to keep in mind that we are the heroes that will build this nation. And remember, not all heroes wear capes, and we teachers are at the heart of this education recovery. Thank you.